we discussed about friction. Today we will discuss about normal force. You see, you are taking one table, a book. Okay. Now, what you can observe in this picture, ma? See, any force is acting on this body. Okay. You will say that no. Okay. What I will do means take out this table from here. Okay, remove, or unexpectedly this table is removed. What happened to the book will fall down, right? Yes, when the table is there or table is not present also, this book is undergoing some gravitational force. Okay, for this gravitational force, some force is acting in upward direction in order to make this book in a equilibrium position. Understood? Next, we will discuss about tension. You take one string and attach to a ceiling. To the other end you attach a wood or a stone, anything. Now what you will do, here also you see any force is acting on this stone. Yes, obviously gravitational force is acting on this force, and some force in upward direction is also acting. That is nothing but tension. Tension is nothing but it is a contact force. Tension is a contact force. You see here, an upward force is acting, a downward force is acting. So downward force is nothing but gravitational force. To balance in the above example, the gravitational force is balanced by the upward tension force. अपवर्ड टेंशन फोर्स से ये बैलेंस हो रहा. अब ये टेंशन बोले तो क्या, टेंशन इज नथिंग बट ये जो ये स्ट्रिंग है ना, ये स्ट्रिंग को नीचे और नीचे खींचो. सो ये द रिजिडिटी और द व्हाट यू कैन से दिस स्ट्रिंग, ये स्ट्रिंग नीचे गिरने के लिए कान तक खींच रहे आप, वो फिक्सिडिटी की क्या बोलते हैं, टेंशन बोलते हैं. ओके okay, next one is net force. In reality many forces can act simultaneously on a body. For example, there exist two forces on object, a horizontal force, one is gravitational and one is normal. Do you observe any changes in the state of rest that object because of the force? Obviously your answer is no. Yampe. Here you can see when object is placed on horizontal surface, two forces are acting, right? Is that object changing its position, ma? No. In this case, two forces acting on the object are equal and opposite direction. Two forces be act ho rahe wo equal and opposite direction. Hence, there is no change in the state. Technically, we say that net force on this object is 0. Imagine that the same object is kept in a lift which is accelerating. When an object is in non-uniform motion, it is said to be in acceleration. When an object is non-uniform motion, it is said to be in acceleration. The net force acting on an object kept in a lift which is accelerating is not 0, as the object is non-uniform motion. Net force 0 nahi hota wahan pe. When two forces act on a body, as in the above case, one of the forces should be greater than the other to set the body in motion. The strength of the force is usually represented by its magnitude. The direction of a force is unimportant as its magnitude. We represent the direction of force using arrow mark. Next, activity 9. Effects of net force acting on a table. Try to push a heavy wooden table. Is it hard to push? Yes, obviously hard. Ask your friend to help you in pushing the table in the same direction. Do you find it easier to move the table now? Yes, because your friend is also helping you. You may notice that it is easier to push the table when you take the help of your friend. The force applied by your friend added to the force exerted by you results in the both forces being applied on the table in the same direction. The total force applied by both of you made it easy to move the table. Both forces are acting on the table to move in the same direction. Okay. Now ask your friend to push the table from the opposite side. Your friend is pushing from here, you are pushing from here. Does the table move, ma? No. When you and your friend push the table from opposite sides, the table doesn't move. If both of you apply force with equal magnitude, Let us assume that one of you exerts a larger force. What will happen? Why? All forces have both magnitude and direction. While adding forces, the direction of forces have to be taken into account. So, when forces acts on the body along a straight line, they are in the same direction. Net force is taken as the sum of all the forces of the body. Okay, as shown in the above figure, the forces directed towards right could be taken as positive, and the force F2 acting towards left is taken as negative. If it is in this direction, it is positive. If it is in opposite, it is taken as negative. So the net force is F1 plus minus F2 is F1 minus F2. When the forces on the body in a straight line are in opposite direction, the net force is equal to difference between the two forces. The object at rest moves in the direction of net force acting on it. Therefore, when it is in opposite direction, it is difference of two forces. Therefore, the body doesn't move from one place to other place. Is it clear, ma? Okay. You will be having one assignment for you. Explain gravitational force. Okay. Next question. Explain tension. Okay. Thank you.